Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce digital downloads easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press Enter. Locate the WooCommerce plugin and click Install Now. After installation, click Activate to enable the plugin. Next, in the same plugins section, search for Stripe for WooCommerce. Click Install Now for the Stripe for WooCommerce plugin. Once installed, click Activate to enable the Stripe payment option. Now, move to the WooCommerce settings from the dashboard. Click on the Payments tab in the WooCommerce settings. Here, you will see a list of available payment options. Look for Stripe and toggle the option to enable it. Click on the Manage link next to the Stripe payment option. In the Stripe settings, you will need to enter your API keys. Log into your Stripe account in a separate tab. Navigate to the Developers section in your Stripe dashboard. From the left menu, click on API keys. Copy the publishable key and the secret key. Return to your WooCommerce Stripe settings and paste these keys into the corresponding fields. Next, enable the checkbox for Enable Payment Request if you want to allow Apple Pay and Google Pay. Click on Save Changes at the bottom of the settings page. Now, go to the Products section in your WooCommerce. If you haven't added a digital product yet, click on Add New. Fill in the product details including title, description, and price. In the Product Data section, select Downloadable and check the box to enable it. Upload your digital file by clicking on the File Upload area. Set the download limit and the download expiry if necessary. Once done, click on Publish to make your product live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.